Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be going to install pFsense Community Server in VirtualBox. Go ahead and add a new virtual appliance. Name it pFsense. Select the ISO image of pFsense installer. In the type, select BSD, then in the version go ahead and select FreeBSD 64-bit. Don't forget to select where you want the image to be saved. Click on Next. I'll choose the default settings for now. Hit Next. Then Finish. Before starting your pFsense installation, let's change few settings. Click on Network, enable Adapter 1 attached to NAT. This will be used for the server's WAN network. Next, go ahead and enable Adapter 2. In the Attached to, select Internal Network. Click on Advanced and in the Promiscuous mode, select Allow All. This adapter will be used for the server's LAN network. Once everything is set, go ahead and start the installation. Hit Enter to accept the copyright and trademark notice. In the Welcome to pFsense window, you can use arrow up and down to navigate to the selection. Select Install and press Enter. You will be asked to configure network first. Go ahead and press Enter. You will need to assign network interfaces for WAN and LAN network. Let's start with WAN, select EM0 interface, press Enter. Make sure the interface mode is DHCP since our once accepts IP from DHCP server. Press Enter to continue. Next select EM1 as our LAN interface. For now, let's set the interface mode to static with the assigned IP address. This settings can be changed later. Go ahead and press Enter to confirm. After setting the network, press Enter to continue. pFsense will then try to communicate to Netgate server. Make sure you are connected to the internet. In the next option, select Install CE and hit Enter to proceed. Then Enter to continue. In the next window, press Enter to proceed. Next, confirm to reformat the disk. In the next window, press Enter to proceed. In the pFsense CE version, select the current stable release and hit Enter to continue. The installation will now start. I'll forward this video to avoid waiting time. Once complete, hit Enter to continue. Then, hit Enter to reboot. If you're stuck in the installation loop again, right-click on the CD icon at the bottom of the window and click Remove Disk. This will remove the installation disk and start booting from virtual hard drive. Next, reboot your virtual appliance. It will now boot to your freshly installed pFsense server. Once booting is complete, you will be redirected to the pFsense welcome menu. Here, you can do basic configurations like assigning network interface, setting IP address and many more. Let's quickly change our LAN network IP address. Enter 2 in the network option to set interface IP address. Next, enter 2 again to set LAN interface IP. You will be asked to configure DHCP on LAN. Type N and press Enter to decline the settings. We want to configure DHCP manually later. Next, enter your desired IP address for LAN in this server. Then enter the LAN IPv4 subnet. For the upstream gateway, hit Enter for none. Type N and enter to decline DHCP6 setup on LAN. Then press Enter for none. We don't want to enable DHCP for now, so type N and press Enter. Then type N again to continue. Press Enter to go back to the menu on Confirm the changes. In our next episode, we will start the pFsense configuration via web interface. Stay tuned in peace.